Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and car lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for every car maintenance ritual, the best oil drain pan. If you're tired of messy spills and clumsy cleanups, you're in for a treat. We'll explore top-rated pans that not only catch every drop, but also make your oil changes a breeze. Plus, I'll share exclusive tips to help you choose the perfect pan for your garage needs. So, buckle up and let's ensure you never dread changing your oil again. Ready? Let's get started. Number 5. Performance Tool W4074 2-in-1 Drain Pan and Tool Caddy, the ultimate solution for your automotive repairs. This ingenious product combines an efficient oil drain pan with a highly functional mobile tool caddy, making it a must-have for any garage or workshop. The 8-liter drain pan features a unique splash guard and an oil filter drain post, designed perfectly for hassle-free oil changes. Safety and convenience are prioritized with 3 locking swivel casters, which keep the caddy and pan securely in place, preventing spills and accidents while you work. Crafted from high-impact polypropylene, it's both lightweight and remarkably durable, ensuring it withstands years of heavy use. The hexagon-shaped caddy measures 18.5 inches wide and 5 3/8 inches tall, ideal for keeping all your essential tools organized when tackling wheels, brakes, suspension, and so much more. Upgrade your garage with the Performance Tool W4074, the best oil drain pan that guarantees efficiency and convenience for all your automotive needs. Number 4. OEMTOOLS 87017 Low Profile Oil Drain Pan, a must-have for any DIY mechanic or professional. With dimensions of 15.9 inches x 8.5 inches x 2.68 inches, this pan is perfectly designed to reach those tight spaces under your vehicle while maintaining a generous capacity of 2.8 quarts. Crafted from heavy-duty, chemical-resistant plastic, this oil drain pan not only ensures durability but also provides excellent resistance against harmful fluids. What sets this product apart is its convenience, lightweight yet sturdy. It allows for easy maneuvering and pouring without spills. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and hello to an efficient draining process. Remember to discard your old oil and fluids responsibly, making eco-friendly choices every step of the way. For those who value reliability and functionality, the OEMTOOLS 87017 is undoubtedly the best oil drain pan for your automotive needs. Get yours today and experience the ease of oil changes like never before. Number 3. NEIKO 20762 Oil Drain Pan, the ultimate solution for all your oil change needs. This high-quality, recyclable polythene plastic pan is built to last, boasting exceptional resistance to corrosion. With its generous 2-gallon, 8L capacity, the NEIKO oil drain pan features a deep design measuring 5 inches by 12.55 inches, ideal for capturing oil, gasoline, and antifreeze without worry. The innovative anti-splash curled lip edge ensures that you can transport oil without worrying about any spills or splashes, maintaining a clean workspace. Its user-friendly design includes easy grip handles on both sides, making transportation a breeze, while the attached spout allows for effortless draining into large openings. Plus, the compact shape and sturdy handle make this pan super easy to store and hang when not in use. If you're searching for the best oil drain pan, the NEIKO 20762 is your go-to choice for convenience, durability, and efficiency. Number 2. VEVOR Low Profile Oil Drain Pan, truly the best oil drain pan on the market. With an impressive 25-gallon capacity, this drain pan is your go-to solution for collecting and disposing of used fluids such as oil, coolant, and transmission fluid. Its built-in electric pump allows for quick and efficient draining, ensuring you can manage your workspace like a pro. The 7.2-foot evacuation hose provides added convenience, allowing you to swiftly handle those messy jobs without hassle. Featuring a user-friendly design, this oil drain cart rolls smoothly on swivel casters, and the lockable front wheels ensure stability during use. Plus, with a filter mesh included, you can keep debris out and prevent splashes. Storage is a breeze with the folding handle, making it easy to transport and tuck away when not in use. Constructed from sturdy carbon steel with a durable powder-coated finish, the VEVOR oil drain pan is built to last, working seamlessly with heavy-duty trucks, buses, RVs, and more. Elevate your fluid management with this exceptional product today. Number 1. CHAPEN 78005 Low Profile Oil Drain Container, your go-to solution for efficient and eco-friendly oil disposal. With a generous capacity of 12 quarts, 11.4 liters, this versatile container is perfectly designed to fit most ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, motorcycles, and low-clearance vehicles. Crafted from 100% recycled polymer, you can feel good about your environmental impact while keeping waste out of landfills. What sets this oil drain pan apart is its innovative leak-free gasket, ensuring no precious oil gets wasted during the draining process. The clever shower head design creates a reliable barrier, giving you peace of mind while you work on your vehicles without the mess. Plus, being made in the USA with global materials, this product supports local manufacturing and offers exceptional customer service. For anyone in need of the best oil drain pan, the CHAPEN 78005 combines functionality, sustainability, and quality, making it a must-have for any garage. Embrace efficient oil management today. In summary, selecting the best oil drain pan can make your oil changes cleaner, easier, and more efficient. Whether you prioritize size, material, or additional features, the right pan will serve you well for years to come. We hope this guide helps you make an informed choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and share this video with fellow DIYers.